Today I'm going to show you how to make my simple sautéed mushrooms. This is perfect for a side dish for dinner or a holiday dinner like Thanksgiving, Christmas, something like that. These are so easy, easy. So let's get started. First things first, you want to take the mushrooms and you want to clean them. Do not run them under cold water or any kind of water that will make them soggy and yucky. So what I do, what they taught me to do in culinary school, is you just take the mushroom, take a paper towel, do not fold it up, just take a paper towel and just basically brush it off. Brush off any dirt and debris. The next, you want to thinly slice your mushrooms. So now we're going to prepare the thyme. I love using fresh thyme on my sautéed mushrooms. It gives it a very steakhouse kind of yummy, earthy taste going on. So the cool thing about thyme is you can just basically slide the leaves right off the stem, not even needing a knife at this point. And then when you get to the soft stemmy parts, just pull it off and then give that a rough chop at the end. So you need a large frying pan. I like to have a lid just on the side in case I want to do a quick, cook it a little quicker. You want to set the stovetop to a medium-high heat. And then once it gets to temperature, you're going to drop in your butter. Let it sizzle a little bit, throw the mushrooms in. Okay, so I've got all my mushrooms in the pan. I've got the butter in there. I'm just going to give it just a quick little move around. I know, Luca, doesn't it smell good? Even the doggy thinks the mushrooms smell good. Come on. And what I like to do in the beginning, just so I can get more moisture into the pan, I just put the lid on for like 1 minute to get them like cooking, letting them release their water. Then I'll take the lid off and we will finish sauteing quickly. I'm gonna add the salt and pepper and the thyme at the end. I like to keep these very simple because I have a lot of people who come to my house for the holidays and I wanna just make them so that they appeal to everyone in the group. Otherwise, I'd be putting garlic and wine in this in 2 seconds. Anyways, but you can add just like 1/4 cup of white wine, your favorite white wine or your favorite red wine. You could do a couple dashes of soy sauce and Worcestershire to give it a little bit more of a umami kind of thing going on. And the next step I'm going to do is I'm just going to sprinkle the fresh thyme on top and then do some salt and pepper to taste, and voila, we're done. Okay, I've got to taste them and make sure they taste right. Enough salt and pepper. They're perfect. You can do this with white mushrooms, any kind of mushrooms you want. I like their cremini because they're just, they're so user-friendly. They taste amazing. There you go, simple sautéed mushrooms.